Hi everybody, it's your buddy Brad here, and welcome back to another episode of Saving Fish from Drowning. Today I am at Friendship Park here in Gahanna, Ohio, and I'm going to be fishing the creek over here. It's the Big Walnut Creek, and I'll be using the mule jackworm and maybe some gulp minnows. We'll see how it goes. So subscribe, share, like, and stay tuned. All right, I am in the middle of the creek here, and I just caught myself, I believe these are called creek chubs. Yeah, I got myself a little. Let's see if he'll stay on here long enough. I don't think he will. Yeah, that is a creek chub. Say hi. Let's let him go. I caught him on that little gulp minnow. All right, we got another fish. I may have foul hooked this one, I'm not sure. I have. No, I haven't. We have a small little green sunfish. Isn't he cute? I love these guys because they are small, but they have a huge mouth. He's got a nice little belly on him. All right, we have another fish. Really? He just squeaked at me. See if I can get a look at him. He's got some nice little stripes on him. Yeah, I'm going to say that's another creek chub. If it's not, please let me know. I'd like to know what it is. All right, we have another fish on the line. Awesome. And it is another green sunfish. Look at him. He's thinking it's all that. But so pretty. Look at those fins. The bright orange on the tail. So pretty. Okay, I got a big fish on the line now. I have no idea what it is. It is, yes, yes, woohoo! It is my very first smallmouth bass. Awesome! Oh my gosh. I know he's not the biggest, but this is a special fish for me. I've been trying to get a smallmouth bass for 2 years now. You can tell it's a smallmouth by the coloring, because the regular bass have the stripes on it. This one is just bronze. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is awesome. My first smallmouth bass. Oh my gosh. Awesome. I don't want to, but I'm gonna let you go, buddy. And ooh, there he goes. Yes! Woo! That made this trip worth it. Oh my gosh. And I caught him on the good old gulp minnow on a mule jig. Oh my goodness gracious. I was not expecting to catch that guy here today. Oh my gosh. That has really made me a happy guy. I've been trying to catch a smallmouth bass since I've started fishing. I honestly don't know if I caught one when I was younger. As far as I know, that's my first smallmouth bass. Oh my gosh. Oh, that, my friends, is what fishing is about. Oh my gosh, yes! I caught him right around that area right there. He's probably hiding under one of those, I don't know if you can see him. He's hiding under, there's like 3 or 4 big rocks right there, and That's where he's been hanging out. Just waiting for small little minnows like this to come right in his face. Whew. Okay. Hey everybody, it's Brad, and that will do it for this episode of Saving Fish from Drowning. I had a great time out here in the creek. I caught my first smallmouth bass, and I caught, I believe, 2 creek chubs and 2 green sunfish, and maybe something else. But yeah, I had a great time. So get out to your creek, save a fish from drowning, and have a great day.